So hello guys, welcome back to codingpursuit.com. So we are continuing our series of developing an e-commerce application from scratch. So this is the part 19 of our series. In this video, we will learn how to create the app icon in Flutter. App icon is a great way of recognizing and launching desired application from the list of already installed apps in Android or iOS mobile phone. It is recommended to implement what you are seeing. You will learn a lot of concepts related to Flutter in this way. So if you are absolute beginner, you can see our Flutter developing tutorials for absolute beginner series in the description. You can also find the source code of this e-commerce application in the description. So stay tuned. Please like, share our video, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. Let's start the session.